Minnesota health officials say the death of an infant has been linked to whooping cough. The Department of Health said Wednesday the baby died in November after being hospitalized for 3 months. The last pediatric death related to pertussis or whooping cough was in 2013. Health officials say anyone can get whooping cough, but it is most severe in infants. They're emphasizing the importance of vaccination, especially during pregnancy, to help prevent whooping cough.
If you enjoyed this segment of Lakeland News, please consider making a tax-deductible contribution to Lakeland PBS.